Assalamu alaikum. Now today we will start minus 10 compliments since we have already done in previous video plus 10 compliments and it's already there in front of you. So these are the formulas which we used in plus 10 compliments, okay? And how we have to give questions to the students so that they can do it comfortably. So I had already discussed it in the previous video, so you need to check it there now. So today we are going to start minus 10 compliments. So as a teacher, what you need to do before starting any new compliment, first of all you have to revise each and everything which you have done before. Just like you already done direct 5 compliment and also plus 10 compliments. In 5 compliments you done both, that is you have already did the plus 5 and minus 5 compliments, so you need to revise them all, also plus 10 compliments. Okay, now when you just done when you just done with all these things, so what you need to do, you have to give them a sum, a question. What will be that question? That will be your 10 minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 1. Since your student know plus 10 compliments, so what they will do, they just give you 10. They can easily do 10, right? But for minus 1, they don't know how to do, what complement they have to use. So they will ask a question. So how we are going to do this, miss? So you need to tell them that these are the complements, these are the formulas which you need to use in minus 10 complements. Since they already know that 9 is the friend of 1, 8 is the friend of 2, 7 is the friend of 3, so now you need to introduce them the complements only. So minus 1 for minus 1, for minus 9, what we will do, plus 1 minus 10. Since we are doing minus 10 complements, so in this every time 10 will be subtracted and friend will be added. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you, I told you, did you find any mistake over there? If you find any mistake over there, please comment. Okay, please comment. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you in later on in this video only. Okay, because in plus 10 complement, I told you something. What will be the condition for tens complement, right? Also, what are the rules for the tens complement? So according to that, the way I wrote it here is wrong. So how I had to write? I have to write it like this. Minus 10 plus 1. This line I have to write here. Minus 10 plus 1. Minus 10 plus 2. Okay, why I am saying so? It's just because we subtract first and then add in 10 complements. And in 5 complements we add first and then subtract. Okay, so this is the main difference between the two. Please don't confuse. In 5 complement, either it is 5 plus 5 or minus 5, we always add first. We always write plus complement first, plus 1 or just like plus 4 minus 5 like this. But in 10 complement we always write minus first and then add. So in minus 10 complements we will subtract minus 10 and add the friend. Okay, and these are also known as big friends since we are learning from 0 to 9, that means 1 to 9. Okay, so these are the things which you need to remember. Also, this time when you are doing minus 10 complements, 10 should be on your value bar, then only you will be able to subtract it. Are you getting me? So this is your value bar, so 10 should be there on your value bar, then only you will be able to subtract it. So I gave you a question, 10 minus 1. So 10, so for minus 1, what will be your, what's your complement? Minus 10 plus 9. So minus 10 plus 9. So that's how your answer is 9. Okay, now make 0. Okay, so now make 20 minus 8. So what will we do for minus 8? Here we have minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. So sorry, for plus 2 I have to use thumb. So this is your 12. Okay, now make 0. We have another question. 12. First of all, we need to make 12. 10 plus 2 makes 12. Now subtract 6. Is it possible? We need to use mixed complement over here, so we can't, we are not going to do this. So let's take another example. Minus 3. Is it so? We have since 12. Okay, let's do minus 2 first. And now we have 10. Now subtract 3 from here. For subtraction of 3, what you need to do? Minus 10 plus 7. Okay, and why I am saying so that this is your mixed complement and we are not doing right now there, since mixed complements are the combination of all the complements which we are doing right now, so it's a little bit confusing, and we will do after 10 complements and after double digit and triple digit addition and subtraction we will do that. Okay, don't worry. Okay, right now I'm not using that, that's why I'm changing the questions. So my answer is 7. Now make 0. Okay, now we have 20 for, and now I have to subtract 4. How I'm going to subtract 4? Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6. Okay, your answer is 16. Now make 0. Now I have 10 and now subtract 6. For subtraction of 6, minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. Your answer is 4. Okay, make 0 again. Now you have 30. 30. Okay, now subtract 8. Subtract 8. What is the complement for subtraction of 8? Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2. So your answer is 22. Your answer is 22. Okay, make 0. Okay, let's take 40 this time and subtract 4. Subtract 4. So what is the complement for subtraction of 4? Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6. So your answer is 36. Your answer is 36. Now make 0 this time again. Okay, now let's take 30. Okay, 30. Now you need to subtract 5. So how you are going to subtract? 5 minus 10 plus 5. Minus 10 plus 5. So your answer is 25. Okay, and I hope you are understanding all of this. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and we will meet again in next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.